is on its way, and we want to see your water gardens this summer when the heat cranks up. There's no place I'd rather be than visiting your water garden. This is a reminder that we are starting a water garden contest for this summer. We'd like to see your entries. Now, I know water gardens can still be a little bit dormant this time of year, so please email us 5 to 10 photos and also a short description of your water garden by April 30th. All the entries will then be posted on our Oklahoma Gardening Facebook page for you and your friends to vote on the top water gardens. We'll then make contact with all the homeowners that are selected in June to go visit them, and we'll have a special episode of Oklahoma Gardening Water Garden Style. So get those entries in by April 30th.
We hope you enjoyed this video as part of our Oklahoma Gardening YouTube channel. You can also find even more videos on the OK Gardening Classics YouTube channel. And join us on social media for great gardening tips, photos, and discussion.